Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope Allah will may Almighty keep you happy, keep you home and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet handmade crochet bag designs. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet handmade basket designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all the designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend, and inshallah be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashioning videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. Thank you for watching. Take Allah.